Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm a stained glass artist, and today we will be unboxing some unusual stained glass supplies. Today's order is from Delphi, which is one of the main places that I order stained glass supplies from, and this order doesn't really contain any sheet glass or any really common stained glass tools, so I thought it would be interesting to show you what's in here and what I plan to use this stuff for. So let's open it up. The reason I'm sitting on the floor is because I'm pretty sure this is full of packing peanuts, and if I did it on the table, they would spill everywhere. They're probably gonna spill everywhere anyways, but it just felt easier to do this on the floor, and I'm joined by my tiniest best friend. So I like shopping from Delphi because they have a lot of really interesting stuff and they ship really fast, but they can be more expensive than other stained glass supply places. Their website is also better at having more accurate photos and descriptions, and their customer service is pretty good most of the time. No packing peanuts. Okay, so the first thing on the top here is Frit, which is crushed up glass that you use in fusing. So this is just black Frit, and I plan to try to make little soot sprites from Spirited Away in my kiln out of this. And the next thing is a new tip for my soldering iron. I will insert a photo of what my soldering iron looks like right now, and then what it's supposed to look like, which is clean and fresh and shiny so solder can adhere to it, which it's not doing very well right now. I don't know if this is the box that they packed other things in, but this is not something that I ordered. So let's see. It says it's an Oceanside summer glass pack, which I didn't order any sheet glass, so, and it looks like it is a glass pack that I didn't order, so. Let's cut her open and see what's in here. Unfortunately, this isn't the right glass to use in my kiln because there's two types of glass you can use in a kiln. There's 90 COE and 96 COE, and I almost exclusively use 90, and this is 96. But if it's pretty, I can use it in other stained glass projects. Okay, I see a yellow, which I like yellow. Okay, we got a wispy yellow. Oh, this is my favorite glass. We got this wispy teal, which is legitimately one of my favorite types of glass. Got this wispy blue. It's fine. I don't love blue that much. Got a pretty orange. Got a nice purple. And we got a red. We have the whole rainbow. This is, didn't order it, but I will take it and I will use it. So that's very fun. Okay, and when I dumped the box over, I heard some of the glass I did order clank around. Whoa. Does that have rats on it? So I ordered 2 quarter-pound scrap packs of Dichro glass. These were both $33. This stuff is pretty expensive for the actual amount of glass you get, but I think it is fusible. Yeah, so this is fusible. So this is what I use to make like my Dichro bracelets and some of my other jewelry. But one of the pieces in this bag looks like it has rats on it, which I'm thrilled by. So let's, oh, it's like Southwestern. Focus. Focus. Oh no. If you can see that, it's got like a javelina and a roadrunner and a lizard and a quail. That's super weird, but I love it. So let's, ooh. So this kind of glass changes color depending on how the light hits it, and then when you fuse it, it sort of changes some more. So a lot of times when I put a lot of different pieces of Dichro in my kiln, when I unload it, it'll look completely different, and I have a hard time keeping track of what different Dichros are which ones. So let's look at pretty. So these are really fun. I don't know if you can really like tell, but a lot of times when these are backlit, they'll like look bluey green from the front, and then when you hold them up to the light, they'll kind of change to look purple. Very pretty. So I will be making more of these bracelets, and I will be making a tutorial on how to make the bracelets since somebody asked. I don't really remember. Oh, I don't really remember everything I ordered. Ooh. There's another glass pack in here that there's two. Okay, well it looks like I got 3 of those summer glass packs, which I did not order, which are not on my order sheet. But I will take 3 free packs of glass. Okay, and this is the last thing. These are gold butterfly decals that they're like metallic gold. They go. So these supposedly work like temporary tattoos on fused glass. So I think I can take a piece of glass and put one of these on the glass and then fire it, and then it'll come out with a gold butterfly decal on it. And these were kind of expensive. This was $20 for this little sheet. But if this works the way I think it's gonna work, it will be very, very cool. And now I'm gonna open these just to see if it's the same as that other glass pack. And very, very weird that they would send me 1 pack of glass that I didn't order, let alone 3. Okay, that's another. You can see the yellow on one side and the red on the other. And another. So these glass packs are usually like $100. So I'm really curious. Hold on. I want to see how much those retail for, because okay, that's super weird. Their website says that it is a seasonal item, and the seasonal item is not currently available. So I don't know, that's very interesting. Just to give you an idea, packs like this usually retail between $60 and about $100. So I potentially got like almost $300 worth of free glass, which is very cool. Yeah, and that is the entire haul of what I ordered, plus 3 glass packs, I guess. I got my Dicro, my 2 Dicro bags were $33. This was $11 or $12. These were $20. The new tip for my solder iron was $25. The shipping wasn't that bad because I didn't order any sheet glass, so I didn't get charged for like a big box shipment. I think shipping was like $10 or $11. So weird little things like this can add up really quickly. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more stained glass videos or just videos from me, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I will be doing more unboxings like this in the future, and hopefully they will continue to send me random free sheet glass. And until next time, bye!